Chika Minute, Bel Mariana's iconic guest role as a kidnapped victim Takakura in the hit ABS-CBN series Incognito earned widespread praise from viewers, making her performance truly unforgettable. Ito nga ang sabi ng young actress on playing Takakura in Incognito. When they pitched it to me, I just found the character so empowering. Takako was so strong, as in when I read the script and when it was discussed to me, I was like, okay, this is how Takako's story or life will go. Parang I was really moved. It was so empowering, and that's what really made me say, okay, I'll do this. Sobrang ganda ng istorya and the message of it na parang let's not lose hope. May last line ako doon that was really iconic.